All right, so the way the surface cleaner works is we've got two different tips in here. Both of these tips are removable and they're both put on an angle. So when water's shooting out, it causes the bar to spin freely like that. And if it's working properly, you're not gonna have any trouble. A few things that can go wrong with the surface cleaner would be if one of the tips gets clogged with the rock, then you might notice water's only coming out properly out of one side. Out of this side, it might be just like diverted and not a continuous jet. So you need to take that surface cleaner tip out, unclog it with a little needle, and then put it back on. The other problems that can happen with the surface cleaner is if you end up hitting a big rock or a curb, you can actually bend this bar just a little bit. And if that bar is bent, then you're not going to get an even clean because one tip is going to be closer to the ground than the other. And the last thing that can go wrong is actually when you put the tips back in, if you want to come zoom in on this, you need to make sure that the tips are perfectly aligned with the bar here. If this little line and opening were to be 90 degrees, then your tip is only cleaning like a jet this direction instead of a full jet that kind of shoots parallel with the bar. So you got to make sure that the little crack and the little line up with the middle bar on both of those tips. If that's not happening, the surface cleaner is not going to give you a good result. Lastly, when you're done using the surface cleaner, make sure to give it a good clean before you put it back in the van. This is part of looking after the equipment. That's it.